This video is about how to access USB storage via router. At first, just plug in your USB drive and go to your router settings. And remember, your router's web interface may look different. Now go to the USB section. Hit USB storage device. And find and enable these options here, SMB and FTP both. Let you access your files as a network folder on PC and mobile. And you can also enable secure sharing. But here I am using guest login. And here is how you can log in as a guest to the folder. To do so, just follow the video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.